Reports for the Leads module gives you insight into everything to do with your leads as a broker, team manager, and company owner. The Type Status Source Channel report shows you the number of sale and rent leads that you have in each status and from each source channel. This gives you a quick snapshot of where your leads are coming from. Notes: 1. See which channels are giving you the majority of your leads and the color groupings to see where you are the strongest. Blue colors are from referrals, which indicates the strengths of your network. Gray colors are for physical marketing and purple for online marketing sources. The Broker Status Source Channel report is similar to the Type Status Source Channel report, but it can be viewed by manager and director profiles. It shows a list of brokers that you manage, combining sale and rent leads. The note above this applies to this report, and you can use it to compare the performance of your brokers. Check to see where your brokers are getting the majority of their leads from. Check in the health or their network and marketing efforts. The Source Channel Type Quality Score report shows you the number of sale and rent leads that have come from each source channel and the quality score for each. This gives you a quick snapshot of how well each source channel is working, both in terms of quantity and quality of leads. This can be seen for leads owned by you, your team, or the whole company if you have the correct profile. The Referring Company Type Quality Score and Referring Contact Type Quality Score reports are similar to the Source Channel Type Quality Score report, except they show you the total number of sale and rent leads that have come from each referring company and referring contact respectively. This gives you a quick snapshot of how well each referring company and referring contact is performing, both in terms of quantity and quality of leads. These can be seen for leads owned by you, your team, or the whole company if you have the correct profile. The Property Type Total and Average Leads report shows you the total number of active, inactive, and pending leads for each property type, as well as the average number of leads per listing of that property type. This shows you which property types are most in demand.